I'm Nathan, and today I'm going to show you how to assemble and put the covers onto the foam for your Gymnasium. First thing to do is always to check and make sure you've got everything you need in the box. So in this case, it's a 4-piece set, so you should have one really large block, a step, and then these two identically shaped wedges. That would be the foam, and then you should also have 4 covers. So among those, you should have one big block. Your colors will vary here. This is the mint variation. You should have a step, and then you should have 2 wedges. You'll notice that they are all inside out currently. That is the way it's supposed to be. That's going to make it easier for you to do the stuffing. So we're going to start with the large block. So I've put all the other pieces to the side. The first thing that you should do, again, it's inside out and zipped. So you need to find that zipper. For me, it's right here. And it's right in the middle of the part, but that's okay. You just kind of pull apart those teeth around this side. Unzip that all the way. And then on that balance, you just unzip the rest of it. And now you're ready to stuff. So the first step in getting this thing stuffed is arranging all these corners. So it's inside out, and I've got the bottom, this would be the bottom on the top. Flip that down and line up each of these corners with the corner of the foam. The benefit of this is that then you can stuff it down this way. If you get these little corners, it's okay. Just go in with your finger from the inside before you have it all stuffed. And poke it out so that it's a nice straight corner. All right, now we got the cover on, so we just need to zip it. This is very straightforward. Zip. If it does get tight around those corners, just take your time around it. And if it gets a little stuck, push the foam in with the finger and zip a little more. Large block is done. Okay, now we're going to do the step. So the step starts the exact same way as the large block did. Just make sure that it is totally unzipped, but still inside out. And rather than just doing the 4 corners, just make sure that the back, see, the step is upside down, so make sure that the 2 back sides are totally lined up. That way we can take it down from inside out to right side out in a way that is actually aligned. So, got stuff, get those 2 lines, get these 2 corners lined up. Where is that corner? There it is. And again, I've got a couple little puckers in there, so I just stick my fingers in. Before I get it all the way stuffed, get those out, and now I've got those nice straight corners. Last is the wedges. The only thing to note here is that you've got 2 different color of wedges, but it doesn't matter which goes on which piece of foam. Foam's identical, so grab a cover, grab a wedge, and it just works the same way as the block and the step.